Gusto ko talaga yung transformational voice that echoes above the noise. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
And flat.
Sharp. Ayan, so for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging performance ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024 sa kanilang ginanap na head-to-head challenge, and it's going to be Miss Cebu, that's Sophie Maxim Grenmo. And for this challenge, unfortunately, hindi siya nakapasok sa top 8, but we're here to support to...
Alam mo, napaka-iconic ng mga apelido nila ngayon, no? Grenmo, Tapia, Beron, o ganyan. Apelido mo?
Tan.
Oh, wow. Sa akin?
Bacolcom.
Parang hindi ko kasama.
Huwag na natin pag-usapan niya. So without any further ado, let's watch this.
Maayong adlaw. I am Sophie Maxim Margareta Grenmo, 19, from the progressive and vibrant island of Cebu. I grew up in a multicultural household.
Me too.
All my life, my parents always stressed the importance of charity and compassion. This led to our active role in community-based aid and response.
Wow.
I wear many hats: a BS tourism student, a model, and a beauty queen. What people find most surprising about me is my extensive background in Jiu-Jitsu with 11 years of training under my belt. I am a water baby, something I inherited from my father. I freedive to clear my mind. As an exceptionally empowered Filipina, I aspire to become a transformational voice that echoes above the noise. It only takes a drop to start a ripple of change. Hello?
Gusto ko talaga yung transformational voice that echoes above the noise. Yun talaga yung parang naalala ko, and nakakahanga lang din na ang swerte niya sa buhay, and it's so, siguro dun sa parents no, yung nakakahanga din na parang tinrain yung mga anak nila about giving, wag maging
yung values
talaga. Ang ganda ng values sa kanilang household.
Cebu, Sophie Grenmo, maayong hapon.
Maayong hapon.
Alright, would you like to say something in Bisaya to greet your fellow Cebuanas?
Mayong hapon, everyone. Kamusta mo diha? Kamusta ka, Miss Maria from Cebu? I hope kamong tanan, you're doing great. Enjoy lang mo tanan sa pagtanas.
Yung pala taga Bantayan Island, so hi kay Doc Jovel Manggubat Tukay. Tsaka si Gigantes, taga Bantayan Island.
Among head-to-head. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, Sophie, on your introduction video, you said that it only takes a drop to start ripples of change. Now, what significant change have you seen and felt over the past 3 years that you can say life has become easier for Filipinos?
I would say the biggest change from the last few years was the change of adjusting after the pandemic. Everyone was figuring out ways to pursue their careers and build up again after the pandemic. All of these businesses shutting down, finally rising again. Our parents finally being able to have an income. And from my observation, one of the changes that these changes that has happened really reminded us Filipinos to be resilient. Reminded us that no matter what setback, we can always find ways to rise again and be here right now. It's been a few years after the last Miss World, and look at us now. We are here again. We're back at it, and that is what shows that how good we Filipinos are, how resilient we are. Thank you.
Sophie.
Ayun, maganda yung pagka-deliver niya. Like, it was so cute and kalma, ganyan. Pero, feeling ko hindi niya masyadong natumbok yung question. Na parang naging malaki yung impact sa buhay ng mga Filipinos. Like, meron sigurong example na or change na mas solid. Di ba?
Na, yun nga, yung
solid
what made
talaga.
it easier to live, parang gano'n.
For the Filipinos. Yun yung siguro dun siya medyo kinapos.
Who is your hero?
I love this question. You know why? Because my hero from day one is my dad. He is my Superman. He is my Thor. Because growing up as a papa's girl, I always magneted to my father, and he would always teach me the ways of life. And like for example, right now in Miss World, we would always have these long hours of calls just talking about how to be a good person and how to, give that aura that you are someone that can become a force. And he's such an inspiration for me because he works so hard, but he also has this time to show me that he cares for me and that he wants me to share this love to the world. So I would say my ultimate hero would be my dad. Love you, Papa!
Cute. That's so cute. And
Ah.
makita mo talaga, no? Siguro ang ganda ng pagpapalaki sa kanya.
Tsaka nagkukwento lang din talaga siya ng kung ano yung meron.
And she's very young. Like, she has a lot of, there's a
Potential.
lot of possibilities and potential for her to flourish in this pageant industry. And
May ikakapolish pa siya talaga.
Ang cute niya. Like, sana if hindi man ito yung taon niya, for sure, meron siyang pagkakalagyan sa pageantry. And sobrang panghugutan niya lang yung yung siguro yung paano sila pinalaki. More of that backstory that's very interesting and that's very unique. And maganda naman yung pagka-deliver niya. Yun lang dun sa unang question, siguro medyo kinapos tayo.
Oo.
Pero
Yung mga ibang candidates kasi na parang they can go casual and they can go dig deep. Ito naman parang masyadong naging casual siya.
Parang masyado niyang nilight-light yung kwentuhan na nakalimutan niyang head-to-head pala.
Dapat may gravity pa rin.
Pero anyhow, good job pa rin and at least na-enjoy niya yung portion na yun. Pero may tanong ako sa'yo.
Ano ba yan? Mag-i-end na tayo. Magtatanong ko na. Okay, sige. Go.
Who is your hero?
My hero?
Maliban sa akin.
Hala, sinong hero ko? Wala ko maisip. Ikaw ba, sinong hero mo?
My hero is my mom.
Oh.
Hi! Shout out to
Ay,
mama.
nanay ko. Namatay na kasi nanay ko. Mother ko yung hero ko kasi siya yung naningkamot. Ano ba? Naghirap nun para...
Naningkamot. Parang ikaw naningkamot mag-Bisaya. Paano ko sasagutin kung sumagot ka naman nandun? So yun guys, and thank you so much. At sinamahan niyo mo kami sa Nagdaang Reaction. If you've liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!